You've got the vision, the offer, maybe even the audience. But the tech, the funnel, the copy, that's where most people freeze. I'm Jay, creator of Neon Income AI, and I build custom funnels for coaches, creatives, and change makers who want to launch with power and automate with soul. If you're tired of juggling Canva, Mailchimp, websites, quizzes, automations, and still not making sales, you're not alone. Most of my clients came to me stuck. They had the ideas, but no systems to actually launch. And every day they waited, they lost momentum and money. They're leaving money on the table. That's why I created the Freedom Funnel Premium, a done-for-you system built in just 2 weeks. And here's what it's including. A custom landing page designed in Wix, optimized to convert. So we take a look at my own website here. And you can see that I have my landing page with my funnel right here. And what I've done is to make my leads more qualified for myself so that I don't have to spend endless hours on doing discovery calls and stuff like that, things that really got on my nerves after a while. I figured out a way to take that headache away. So this is what I've done. I created the Freedom Funnel. And what it does is it comes with all of these things. Custom Wix landing page with mobile optimization, 3-part email automation with Mailchimp. In other words, when the folks take your quiz, it automatically fires the proper sequence to them of emails to get them in your funnel even more. Quiz result delivery integration with Quizal. 5 Canva carousels, social ready, A and B testing training videos, setup and installation of PDF, 30-minute kickoff call, and full question and answers with final tweaks. Here's what some of the people are saying. Jen's system saved me weeks of stress. Everything was done. Branded and converting within days. Total game changer. Sarah, thank you so much for that feedback. And Carmen said, I had no clue where to start with my online business. Jen came in, built my funnel from the ground up and made it feel like me. The strategy, the visuals, the flow is everything I didn't know I needed. I made my first sale within a week of launch. That's awesome. Congratulations, Carmen. I'm so happy for you. So one of the other things that I did was I went ahead and I created a quiz for everyone to know which would be the proper system that would be built for them. So here we're going to take a look at it. In this quiz right here, I'll go ahead and just fill in some information here. And I'm just going to show you guys kind of what the first couple of questions do look like. So question is going to be, what is your primary business goal for the next 90 days? And here you can see build my email list quickly, generate immediate revenue with low ticket offer, book qualified discovery calls for high ticket services, educate my audience through live training webinars. And the next question, how would you describe your current traffic sources? Then it goes into it. So guys, I just want you to know that when you fill out this quiz, that automatically there are emails that come out based on how y'all answer. And so I want to build the same system for you guys as well, where everything is done for you. You have a quiz where people can go onto your homepage and they can fill it out and it'll automatically qualify them for your funnel if they are qualified for the funnel. So that way it takes out the guesswork of having to know who's qualified, who's not qualified, having to jump on endless discovery calls just to maybe have it pan out or not pan out. So here you're qualifying your leads, taking your time back, and the end result of it is an email sequence that fires out and you're able to take your time back. That's why I created the funnel, because I got tired of doing the discovery calls and I wanted something that I could have my time back. So if you're ready to launch without tech overwhelm, I've already figured it out. It's already been tested and sold and people are absolutely loving it. If you want your business to finally look and feel like you, start with the premium funnel. I'll build the whole thing with your brand, your voice, and your vision. Tap the link and grab your build now, or take the 60-second quiz if you want to see your fit first. Either way, your launch starts here. And I'm really looking forward to showing you guys some great tech that has really taken back the time in my life to enjoy with my family and my friends. While I'm making money, everything is automated. So if you want to be part of that world, definitely get your freedom funnel today, where your freedom begins today.